Wow, I tell you what, 2 weeks working in the absolute middle of Australia in like 45-degree heat every day. Wow, I'm glad that is over and done with. I'm back and nothing's been done with my lawn for that whole time, and you know, they had similar heat here at Port Augusta. High 30s, low 40s, mid 40s. I think it's about 40 degrees right now, but have a look at my lawn. It hasn't done anything for 2 weeks. It's really overgrown. It has gone seed head mad, as you can see. Seed heads everywhere. But interestingly enough, look at these two areas that I did the little bit of a patch repair to. No seed heads whatsoever. It's like you can even see like the seed heads just stop at the new growth there, and it's like a little square. Same over here as well. Look at this, this is even more noticeable. No seed heads in here, and seed heads everywhere else. So I had basically a lot of people having a go at me about doing a late summer dethatch or a late summer reno. Look, that's the reason you do it. It comes back nice and fresh. You won't get the seed heads and everything carrying on, and let it grow up to a decent height again. After the reno, I let it grow to 15 millimeters, basically because it'll quickly give that shade of the canopy to that lawn, and will basically start creating a thatch layer very nicely, very quickly, ready for the cooler months. But look, today, I'm not going to be doing a reno today. It's 40 degrees and I only just got home and I'm a bit too tired, and I've got to do things like go get sand and etc, etc. But I'm just going to give this a mow and see how I go. I've upped the height to 15 millimeters, and I think it's going to look maybe a little bit scrappy because some of that thatch underneath will show. But let's just give it a go and see how we go.
Oh yes, you can really see how much I was taking off here. Look, I was 2 weeks away, so even though I did a PGR at a lower dose, probably about, I think it was about 10 or 15 mil or something, if I remember rightly, because I knew I was going to be away for 2 weeks. That got eaten up by the weather really quickly because it was really hot, and just all those seed heads came out with a total of vengeance. Look at it. It's an absolute sea of seed heads. And look, the Mow Master, it's a very capable mower, as you know, and just cleans it up, and boom, gone in one pass. So it's doing really well there, and I did adjust that mower just that little bit, just for a bit of contact, and all doing really well there. So the next video that I'm going to be doing will be the late summer renovation that I do. I've only just sat down from completing it, so I know I've got it, and I've got all the vision this time, so that's really good. So look out for that one next week for sure.
That is looking the beans. Look at it. I'm surprised by that, because it's not thatchy at all. It actually looks really quite good. Oh well, that went better than what I thought. It's looking all right, but I am still going to do my reno in a few days' time, and there'll be another video for that. But look, you know, no dry spots in this lawn at all. That's because I'm using Moist and Hero to really look after my soil. It's been so hot here. This has only been getting watered twice a week, Tuesday and a Friday for 40 minutes. That's it. No problems whatsoever. Everything's going really, really good here. And those two little areas that I fixed up a few weeks before, which is like the last couple of videos that I've done, that shows you the real benefit of having the fresh grass after doing a late season dethatch or a late season reno, as deep as you want to go, because that growth that comes back doesn't have the seed head problems that the rest of the cooch has, that's a little bit more mature. So that is a great way to go into autumn, grow a little bit taller and quickly develop a small thatch layer, and that'll be fantastic for your autumn. All right, well, it's now 42 here, so I've had enough. I think I'll do my edging this afternoon, in the, you know, late afternoon, around about 8 o'clock. All right, this is just a quick video just to say that I'm back, and you know, thanks for waiting for me and everything like that. I really appreciate my audience, and I do as much video work as I can and as much content as I can, and I really love doing this content. So be sure to like, subscribe, do all that, and we'll see you in the next video. Get your lawn on 2025. Woo!